Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SSO for your workplace with Okta and Google step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Okta administrator account. Navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, select Applications from the menu. Click on the Add Application button. In the search bar, type Google. Select Google Workspace from the search results. Click that Add button to proceed. In the application settings, configure the name and description as needed. Make sure to set the sign-on method to SAML 2.0. Next, click on Next to continue to the SAML settings. You will see the General section. For the SSO URL, enter the Google SSO URL provided in the Google Workspace Admin Console. Set the audience URI with your Google Workspace Entity ID. Navigate to the Attributes section. Configure the user attributes you need, such as email and first name. Click on Next to move to the next step. In the next section, review your configuration. Once satisfied, click Finish to save your application settings in Okta. Now, open a new tab and log into your Google Admin Console. In the Admin Console, go to Apps. Select Web and Mobile Apps. Click on the Add App button. Choose Add Custom SAML App. Provide a name for your app, such as Okta SSO. In the next section, upload the Okta certificate. From your Okta application settings, download the certificate. Go back to Google and upload the certificate. Configure the SSO URL in Google with the one you used in Okta. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.